Okay, little Whiskers, welcome to your new home. I know he's so cute. Ah, look at his little face. Oh, hi, little buddy. You want some pets? Come here. Oh. Oh, bless me. Sorry, Whiskers. I didn't mean to scare you. It's just a sneeze. See, come back. Come here. Oh, so cute. Oh, you're just so damn cute. I want to squish you. Oh, Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know why I'm sneezing. It's probably just a random tickle. Oh. No, that's definitely not it. I've never had pet allergies before. Well, I know I haven't really been around cats much, but I think I would know if I was allergic. Don't look at me like that. Oh. You're just jealous that Whiskers wants my pets and not yours. Oh my gosh, look, he's climbing in my lap. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, no, I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. I didn't mean to scare him. My nose was just tickly for some reason. But it's done now. Yes, it is. Because I'm not allergic to him. It's just a stray tickle. Maybe dust at the shelter. Well, it's not like it was the cleanest place. No, I'm not allergic to I'm not allergic to cats. I'm not. I'm not. Oh, hey, buddy. Are you worried about me? No need. No need to worry because I'm fine. Oh, no. Don't put your tail under Did you pass me a tissue? Thank you. No. Maybe Maybe I am a little. Maybe I'm a little allergic to it. But I'll just take meds and it'll be fine.